The quick start mode is the easiest and most convenient way to quickly heat or cook a meal. To cook at maximum power for 30 seconds, press the +30s button. To increase the duration by 30 seconds, press the +30s button again. Each press increases the duration by 30 seconds. To cook for 1 minute 30 seconds,